let's talk about risk a little bit. Let's talk about risk management. So at Trading Experts, we always try to steer people away from options, away from using leverage. We're focused on the long game. People talk about what's the number one rule in investing. They'll point to Warren Buffett's quote, Rule 1, don't lose money. Rule 2, don't forget Rule 1. That's not true. He's lost money plenty of times. I've lost money plenty of times. We all have. That's part of the game. The most important rule in investing and trading and anything risk related is always live to see tomorrow. You got to stay in the game. We just got the most classic story on the news about Bill Hwang. This guy built up a $10 billion fortune. He ratcheted up. He hit up 5 different banks. He got $50 billion worth of leverage. So he had a $20 billion position in Viacom. Viacom sells off. He gets margin called, and now he has to sell off all these positions, and all of a sudden this guy worth $10 billion loses all of it in a matter of a week or so. Years and years of hard work, years and years of being right and correct and smart with his risk and all these things is gone. First of all, you catch me with $10 billion, I'm on a beach somewhere, no more trade alerts. But this is just the most classic lesson in investing. Bill Hwang built up a $10 billion firm. Huge. He had some amazing years and he should be very respected and all of these things. But what did he do? He ratcheted up $50 billion in leverage, got caught on the wrong side of a few trades, and now he's out of the game. This guy was worth $10 billion a couple weeks ago. It's all gone, okay? The number one reason we try to steer people away from options or anything like that, because it's just, a fancy instrument to get more leverage. Right? What we want to do, we want to play the long game. We want to put the odds in our favor as much as possible. Okay? That's why, we're playing the long game, but you're putting the greatest odds of success in your favor. And that's the most important part of the game.